To check your transaction history on Coinbase, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the mobile app. Enter your email and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to the portfolio. Once logged in, look for the portfolio tab on the main dashboard. Click on it to access your cryptocurrency holdings and transaction details. Step 3. Access transaction history. In the portfolio section, find the option labeled Transactions or History. Click on this to view a detailed list of all your past transactions, including buys, sells, and transfers. Step 4. Filter your transactions. To make it easier to find specific transactions, use the filtering options available. You can filter by date range, transaction type, or specific cryptocurrencies to narrow down your search. Step 5. Export your transaction history. If you need a record of your transactions for tax purposes or personal tracking, look for an option to export your transaction history. This is usually available as a CSV file that you can download and save. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Coinbase. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you manage your investments effectively.